What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great and making a good profit. As you can see, I have $100 in my account. In this video, we will do some compounding steps using that $100 and we'll focus on compounding with the help of EMA retracement. Alright, so for those who are new here, if you want to join us, the link is in the description. You can also text us on Telegram at @binary support. Additionally, I have launched our course, where I have explained all my secrets of binary options, market structures, psychology, money management, and our 7 to 8 sure shot patterns. I will also cover how indicators work and how you can trade using them. There are many more topics which have been covered. You can visit binarytradingexpert.com, where you'll find a course icon. Click on it and you'll be redirected to another website, manishbhati.com. Fill in all the details, follow the instructions, and text us on Telegram at @binary support. Alright, let's start our first trade for this compounding session. I'll go with a trade on Microsoft OTC. As you can see, there was a downtrend and the market broke both the EMA 25 and EMA 50. It's now taking a retracement from the EMA 50. So if this candle closes near the EMA 50, I will place a trade for an upside move. The candle touches the EMA 50 and I place the trade for the upside move with $100. There was also a support level at that point, and the EMA 50 was there as well, which is why I took this trade. Currently, the trade isn't going in our favor, but there are only 25 seconds left. With just 2 seconds left, it looked like a loss, but it reversed. Our first trade was reversed. Now, let's find another trade for $100. In this video, we're only taking retracement trades using moving averages. Let's find a trade on cryptocurrencies. I see a trade on Avalanche OTC for the upside move, so I place a $100 trade for the upside. As you can see, there was a downtrend. Then the market broke both the EMA 25 and EMA 50 and shifted to an uptrend. It broke the EMA again, turned into a downtrend, and is now taking a retracement from the EMA 25. The market broke both the EMA 25 and 50 again and is now giving a retracement at the level of EMA 50. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. As you can see, our trade is going well with only 5 seconds left. And we won our first trade of the compounding session. Now my balance has turned into $192, so let's find a trade for $192. I found a trade on Intel, but the candle has already moved up, so I will avoid it. Next, I found a trade on FedEx OTC and I placed a trade for the upside move worth $192. As you can see, there was a downtrend and the candle broke the moving averages, then gave a retracement at EMA 50. There was a green candle on the backside, so I took this trade for the upside move from the EMA 50, and there was a support level as well. Currently, the trade is going in our favor with only 5 seconds left. and we won another trade. My balance has now turned into $365. So let's find a trade for $365. The candle is taking support exactly from EMA 50 on FedEx, so let's find another trade. Again, we could try FedEx, but the candle has already moved up, so I'll avoid that. Let's check cryptocurrencies. On Ripple, I found a trade for the upside move, so I placed a $365 trade for the upside. As you can see, there was a support level and the EMA 50 was there, which is why I took this trade for the upside. The previous red candle was taking support from the support level or near the EMA 50. Currently, the trade isn't going in our favor. The next candle came back and our trade is now going in our favor. With 6 seconds left, we won another trade. My balance has now turned into $701. Now, let's find a trade on currency pairs. On ODCAD, I found a trade and placed a $701 trade for the upside move. As you can see, there was a downtrend and the candle was taking resistance from EMA 50. Then the candle broke the moving average and took support from both EMA 50 and EMA 25. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. A little bit of support level can also be drawn as the candle was taking support from EMA 25. The red candle closed and is now taking a retracement from EMA 25. Currently, our trade is going in our favor, but there are still 10 seconds left. Alright, just a few seconds left and we won another trade. My balance has turned into $1,346. So let's find a trade for $1,346. Okay, I found a trade on Solana. The candle broke through the EMA 25 and 50, so I'll avoid that one. Let's look for another trade on currency pairs. Alright, on ONZD, I found a trade and placed $1,345 trade for the upside move. As you can see, there was a downtrend and the candle took the trend and found support from both EMA 25 and EMA 50. The previous candle was taking support from EMA 25. This is a retracement trade and currently the trade is going in our favor. There are only a few seconds left and we won another trade. My balance has now turned into $2,583. So let's find a trade for $2,583. Wait, I mistakenly entered $2,582. Let me correct that and find a trade for $2,583. I found a trade on Bitcoin OTC and placed a $2,583 trade for the downside move from EMA 50. As you can see, there was an uptrend, but the candle broke the trend and turned into a downtrend. The green candle was also taking resistance from EMA 25 and closed near it. I placed the trade a bit earlier, but it's going in our favor now. Though there are still 10 seconds left. Only a few seconds left and we won another trade. My balance has now turned into $4,959. So by starting with just $100, I've made $4,959 using the EMA retracement strategy. We'll stop here because I've already made a good profit with the $100. You guys can also make a good profit with the help of EMA retracement strategies. These were really good trades, and if you practice them, you'll definitely make a good profit. For those who want to join us, the link is in the description. You can check it out, and you can text us on Telegram at @BBinarySupport. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.